In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the issue when Wi-Fi disappears from your Windows computer. This can happen in a few ways. Sometimes the Wi-Fi icon is missing from the taskbar, and other times Wi-Fi won't show up at all inside Settings forward arrow Network and Internet. Don't worry, there are several ways to bring it back. First, open the Start menu and search for Control Panel, then open it. Set the View by option in the top right corner to Large Icons, then click on Internet Options. Go to the Advanced tab and select Restore Advanced Settings, then click Apply and OK. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Settings. Go to Network and Internet, scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, then find Network Reset. Click Reset, confirm by selecting Yes, and then restart your computer. If the issue still isn't fixed, open the Start menu and search for Services. Scroll down and find WLAN Auto Config. Double-click it, set the startup type to automatic, and make sure the service is running by clicking Start. Click Apply and OK. If it's already running, just restart the service. Do the same for WWAN Auto Config. Now go to the Control Panel again, open Network and Sharing Center, then click Change Adapter Settings. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click it, choose Disable, then right-click again and select Enable. After that, open Device Manager from the Start menu. Expand Network Adapters, find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click it, and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then let me pick from a list, select the top option, and click Next. Open Run, type misconfig, and press Enter. Under the General tab, select Normal Startup. Then go to the Services tab, click Disable All, then Enable All, apply the changes, and restart your computer. Finally, if nothing has worked yet, try a soft reset. Hold down the power button for about 30 seconds, even after the screen turns off. This drains residual power from the system. After that, turn your computer back on and check your Wi-Fi again. Hopefully, one of these methods brings your Wi-Fi back.